Hello. Hello, beautiful people. Hi, kings and queens and lovables. Hi, we are back at it again. Can somebody say Vlogmas number 6? Hey y'all, this is Juanita living life unapologetically design. And yes, honey, we are back. Me and the Santa. He's giving a wink and a smile and filling up that cup with some yummy, yummy, yummy. Well, close to it. It's coffee again, y'all. And I have to go big on y'all. So, in this video, I'm back at it, y'all. I'm at Vlogmas number 6. Can y'all believe that? Well, I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying to bring it to y'all to enjoy, and y'all can enjoy this video as well. So we're going to do you ready for it? The Tablescape. Okay, like before I said, I'm doing it small this year. I'm not doing the full blown out winter wonderland like I did before, and also because I'm preparing for my surgery, so I'm gonna get a lot of videos out beforehand because I'm going to be unable to do that. So let's get started on this beautiful, beautiful day that the Lord has made, and let us rejoice and be glad in it. All right. Santa says, hey, y'all. Hey. So let's get started with the video, and let's get some coffee and some grits in us. And we're going to get this vlog started, going later. Oh, wait. If you like DIYs, home decor, home shopping, vlogging, lifestyles, all that good stuff, it's right here. I did not double down on the niche yet, y'all. So y'all help me. What do you like to see on this channel? Let me know in the comments. All right, beautiful people. Much love. Beautiful people, welcome to Juanita Living Unapologetically Design. Hi y'all, welcome to Juanita Living Life Unapologetically. I am Juanita, and we are back again with another video. Yes, beautiful people, how are we doing today, kings, and queens, and lovables? We're back again, and guess what? We are here to do a mini tablescape. Yes, I'm doing a mini tablescape. This year, I decided to keep it small. Not going crazy this year. So on that note, we're going to get started with the tablescape. I already did the wreath, or the table setting wreath. I already put this up. Got my nice stands in there. So let's continue. If you haven't seen it yet, I did my own DIY napkin ring holder with a tissue holder, some ribbon, and some glue. All right. If you haven't seen that, y'all go check that out. Okay, so jingle all the way. I had this for some time now, and I'm going to keep it because it serves its purpose. And yeah, let's go. beautiful people. I'm grateful and thankful for this tablescape to be completed so I can go on to the next thing. But I was just sitting here thinking and contemplating on some things. And I'm listening to songs, right? So this particular song came up. And I had to stop and think because that was something that was on my mind earlier doing Vlogmas. And I just want to share that with you. Trouble don't last always. Trouble do not last always. Regardless of what's going on, how you're feeling, the situation, the circumstances, I'm here to tell you trouble don't last always. So I'm here with my pineapple juice and tell you that. Cheers.